What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Badgerville YouTube channel. Today we're headed back to the track because we got old Sonic and we got a little bit of exhaust work, so we're going to see if it made any difference. Stay tuned.
Ooh, look at it, it's so pretty!
We got co-pilots today too. We got DJ and Josie for some ride-along. Let's get it. Oh, I need my window marker for the racetrack. Oh, I miss Biggie too, baby. Don't worry. Very, very soon. Very soon. All right, let's go to the track. Oh. Come on, big guy. Well, guys, we made it. We got the car numbered. We are officially waiting for them to start calling time trials. It's going to be a while. We'll see what the exhaust did, if anything, and then we'll go from there and go a little faster.
Whole shot down here in the burnout area, if you will. Fucking cars all over the place.
Spun way harder that time.
You had 15 degrees of timing in already, Pot. That
Wow.
blows me away. Like I said last one, I couldn't get 4 out of it.
Wow.
That's impressive.
Oh, there's Charlie.
Here's Charlie. 761 on the Lambda.
I'll trade you.
Perfect.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
What's your own?
10-0.
10?
With you in the car spinning like a bitch.
Uh-huh. So it is a little bit better with the...
I gotta make a solo pass.
I think it's a little bit better with your shifter, bud.
Forgot I was recording. So, with a passenger, after exhaust, we ran 10-0. We ran 996 and 999 with no passenger with stock exhaust, so I'm thinking we made a bit of an improvement. Alright guys, first solo pass with the new exhaust. We already made one pass with a passenger and it spun horribly. We're gonna try and not do that again. We still spun really bad, but we'll see what we're in. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. So we managed to shave a 10th off. We ran 980 at 75 mile an hour, still spinning, but exhaust did work. Well, we got the kiddos with this time. Say hi to the camera, people. Hi. We're gonna make at least one, maybe 2 more passes, give the kids a couple rides down the track. I'm assuming we'll probably run closer to a 10 flat with the extra weight, but it's all in good fun here at North Michigan Dragway. Here we go. You guys ready? Violent. The wheel hop is no good. Oh, so much wheel hop. Alright guys, well, much to my surprise, with 2 passengers, we still ran a 992 at 73. Yeah! Which means the exhaust worked. We were running faster with more weight. And still spinning ungodly amounts, as you can tell by all the wheel hop. Well guys, we did it. We set out to prove that cherry bomb glass pack and some straight tailpipes will in fact improve your ET. We ran 996 and 999 last time we were here. Today, first pass with 2 adults, we ran 10 flat. One and only solo pass, we ran 980. And with the kiddos in the back, we ran a 992. All but one pass was faster than the last time we were here when it was stock. So we weren't able to do any tuning today, unfortunately, but that just gives us another opportunity to come back to the track and do it some more. So thank you guys for watching, and as always, peace. Say peace to the people.
Peace. Peace.
All right.